I saw this equation on YouTube, but I have a different approach, so I'd rather share with you here. Now we want to solve this equation, and as we know that sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. Then obviously by comparing these two equations we have a result. Now let me use S for sine x and C for cosine x. Then from these, by comparing these two equations, S5 to the 5th power is equal to S to the square, right? And C to the 5th power is equal to C squared. Okay. And from this equation, we have sine square, sine cube minus 1 equal to 0, right? From this equation, we have C cosine square and cosine cube x minus 1 equal to 0. And from this equation, we have sine x is equal to 0 or 1. From that equation, we have cosine equals 0 or 1. All right. From these two results, we know that when sine is 0, when sine x equal to 0, cosine x must be 1. When sine x equal to 1, cosine x must be 0. So the situation is this. When sine x equal to 0, cosine x is equal to 1. That happens at the same time, right? Or when sine x is equal to 1, cosine x is equal to 0. So they must happen concurrently. So from this situation, we have x is equal to sine x equal to 0, and x must be n pi, right? N is an integer. When cosine x equal to 1, x must be equal to 2n pi, right? Or sine x equal to 1, sine x equal to half pi plus 2n pi, right? When cosine x equal to 0, x must be equal to half pi plus n pi. N is integer. Well, I just want to emphasize that they must happen at the same time. Then sine x is 0, cosine x is 1. That equation is true. Or when sine x equal to 1, cosine x equal to 0 happen at the same time, that equation is satisfied. All right, then, solving these two equations, n pi is equal to 2n pi, or half pi plus 2n pi is equal to half pi plus n pi. Okay, by solving these two equations, we have n is equal to 0. N equal to 0. This n must be 0 too. So when n equal to 0, when n equal to x equal to 1, so x is equal to 0, right? Or when n equal to 0 here, x equal to half pi. So we have two solutions. We have two solutions, 0 or half pi. I think that this way of calculation is very clear and very short. The result is only two possibilities. Thank you very much.